This recipe is going to be a staple in your morning routine. It is quick, it is easy, it is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, and it makes a great grab-and-go breakfast. Welcome back to What's Cooking in Worcester. I'm nutritionist Kelly Williams of the Worcester County Health Department, and today I'm bringing to you a blueberry peach oatmeal cup. All right, let's get started. The great thing about this recipe, it is perfect for summer all over the Eastern Shore because we are going to feature peaches and blueberries, and this is the time of year to enjoy those fruits in our area. All right, we're going to start off with some cashew butter today. You could also substitute almond butter. You don't want to use peanut butter because the taste is a little bit too strong. You can find this in any grocery store, and you want to look for the natural varieties because they are kind of drippy, they're very smooth, and they're a little bit easier to mix. So we're going to start with some of that. And the flavor of cashew butter and almond butter are both very neutral. You won't really taste almonds or cashews in the recipe, but it holds everything together and gives you a great source of healthy fats and protein. We're going to add to that 2 eggs. We're going to use a bit of oil. I'm using coconut oil today, but you could certainly use another type. For our sweetener today, we are using pure maple syrup. You could also use honey, or you could use any other liquid sweetener of choice. And again, it's not a lot because the flavors of the fruit, the natural sweetness in the peaches and blueberries really stands out in this dish. So we don't need much added sweetener. For our liquid, I am using an unsweetened almond milk. You could use any dairy or non-dairy milk of choice. And then just a bit of vanilla. And we're going to give that a stir, get that all combined. It does seem pretty liquidy right now, but we are going to be adding rolled oats to this, and they really absorb a lot of liquid. So you just want to get your eggs mixed in here and get everything incorporated. To that, we will add 2 cups of rolled oats. You don't want to use quick oats. You want to use the regular rolled oats, old-fashioned oats. And you also don't want to use steel cut. They'll be a little bit too tough. This is a great way if you're trying to maybe improve your cholesterol numbers, you're looking to increase your fiber a little bit. Oats can really help with that. Okay, we have our oats in there. We're gonna add a bit of baking powder and some cinnamon and just a pinch of salt. And you can see this recipe comes together really quickly. It's really not that many ingredients, and it's a great one to involve your family with. If you have kids, they can get to help stirring everything together. So this is what our batter looks like before we've incorporated any of the fruit. We want to make sure it's really mixed well before we add the fruit because we want to try not to crush the fruit. We want to fold it in gently. So we're going to go ahead and add our blueberries, and we're going to dice a peach as well. You do not need to peel the peaches. The skin is very soft. Obviously, with the blueberries and the peaches, we just wash them beforehand. After dicing your peaches, you can add those in with your blueberries. And now we're going to use what we have left of our peaches to give a small slice that we can use on the top just to add a little extra garnish. These slices you want to be very thin. And as I said, you just want to give a gentle fold to your peaches and blueberries. So we're not really crushing the fruit or getting it mushy, just a nice gentle fold until everything's in there. And now you're ready to add it to your muffin cups. For this recipe, I have used both muffin liners and given them a quick spray with a non-stick cooking spray. If you don't do that, they may stick to your muffin liners. And this should make 12. So if you have a little extra, go back and you can fill them in. These are not going to rise as much as a typical muffin. Like I said, it's a cross between a bowl of oatmeal and a muffin. And once you have those pretty evenly filled, you're going to use your thin sliced peach and just go ahead and gently rest one on top of each. While we've been doing this, our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, so it'll be ready to go for us as soon as this is complete. And this is what our oatmeal cups look like, ready to go into the oven. All right, our blueberry peach oatmeal cups are out of the oven. They've cooled just a little bit. They're still a bit warm. And as you can see, it looks just like a muffin. It smells delicious. It's a little bit more dense or heavy because of all those oats, but it is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And I know that you're going to enjoy it. For the Worcester County Health Department, I am nutritionist Kelly Williams. Remember, eat healthy, be active, prevent diabetes today.